So our next word problem. Anne Marie Jones has been pricing Amtrak train fares for a group trip to New York. 3 adults and 4 children must pay $159. 2 adults and 3 children must pay $112. Find the price of an adult's ticket and find the price of a child's ticket. So the two things we're trying to find are the price of an adult's ticket and the price of a child's ticket. If you'll notice, I made variable assignments to let A be the adult ticket price and C be the child's ticket price. I could use X and Y, but A and C are a little more descriptive for this particular problem. Now, I go back to my word problem. I'm dealing with a system. I know that I should be able to derive 2 equations from this word problem. And the first equation is going to come from the second sentence, which states that 3 adults and 4 children must pay $159. So that means that 3A, 3 adults, plus and 4 children, so 4C, must pay $159. So their total price would be $159. Okay. Our second equation is actually going to come from the very next sentence. 2 adults and 3 children must pay $112. So that means that 2 adults, 2A, and 3 children plus 3C would total $112. Okay, so here are my 2 equations that I derived from my word problem. That's the big step here, is to get those 2 equations. Now I'm going to proceed with either the addition or the substitution method. I like the addition method where everything's lined up here, and I'm going to multiply the top equation by -2 and the bottom equation by +3, trying to eliminate my A's. And let's see what we get. So I'm going to distribute -2 through the top equation, and it will give me -6A minus 8C equals -2 times 159 is -318. I'm going to distribute 3 through the bottom equation, which would give me 6A plus 9C. And 3 times 112 is 336. Okay, notice how my A's are opposites and they will eliminate when I add, which is what my goal was. That's why I multiplied by the -2 and the +3. So here we go. -6A plus 6A is going to eliminate. -8C plus 9C is 1C, or just C. And -318 plus 336 is +18. So C equals 18, which means that the price of the child's ticket is $18. I'll put a little $ to indicate that it's dollars. So I know the child's ticket price. I'm going to find the adult's ticket price. Go back to my original equations. The 3A plus 4C equals 159. Or the 2A plus 3C equals 112. Just to change things up, I'm going to use the bottom equation. So I'm going to rewrite that. 2A plus 3C equals 112. I know C is 18, so I'm going to substitute 18 for C. 2A plus 3 times 18 equals 112. I'm going to solve this for A. 2A plus 3 times 18 is 54 equals 112. I'm subtracting 54 from both sides. In an effort to get A by itself, I'll get 2A equals 58. And dividing by 2 on both sides gives me A to be 29. So the adult ticket price is $29, and I'll indicate that again with a little $ to indicate that it's $29. so that I know what the 18 and the 29 mean. So I got child's ticket price to be $18, adult's ticket price to be $29. If I want to check myself, I would just go back and double check to make sure that 3 adults and 4 children at these prices would total up to $159, and that 2 adults and 3 children at these 2 prices would total up to $112. If they do, and they will, then you'll know you're right. Hope it helps.